Hi children, let's look at these words. Spell and read. R-O-S-E, rose. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. P-A-N-S-Y, pansy. L-I-L-Y, lily. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. D-A-H-L-I-A, dahlia. D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. B-L-U-E-B-E-L-L, bluebell. Look at them. Rose, sweet smelling flower of different colors you get. Red and pink and orange and yellow and whatnot. Lotus, you find it in the water. Lotus can be, sometimes you get white, pink, and there are other colors too. Jasmine, the tiny sweet smelling flower in your garden, tiny flower that mommy puts it on her head. Tulip comes in different colors, lovely, it looks like a cup. Pansy, a beautiful, tiny little flower. Lily grows in the garden, also in the water. There are water lilies too. Marigold, oh lovely orangish color flower. Sunflower, big yellow flower that faces the sun. Dahlia is another beautiful little flower. Daisy, a tiny little white flower. And bluebell, of course, blue color. It has the shape of a bell. Now all these are group name. Please give me flowers. These are all some of the flowers. Flowers. Spell flower. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. So these are some of the flowers. What is the group name? Flowers. What's the word, group word? Flower. Very good. Did you enjoy? Shall we look at another set of words? Look what we have here. Let's read. R-E-D, red. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. G-R-E-Y, grey. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. B-L-U-E, blue. B-R-O-W-N, brown. P-E-A-C-H, peach. G-R-E-E-N, green. B-L-A-C-K, black. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Look, red, purple, yellow, grey, violet, blue, brown, peach, green, black, orange. What are they? Give me a single word name. All of them together? Good. They are all colors. Some of the colors. Very good. Colors. How do you spell color? C-O-L-O-U-R-S. C-O-L-O-U-R-S. Colors. They are colors. Good. Did you enjoy finding the single word for the words? All the words I gave you? Good. Shall we look at another set of words? Here we are. Look what you have. Let's read together. C-A-R, car. A-U-T-O, auto. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. C-Y-C-L-E, Cycle. B-U-S. Bus. T-R-A-I-N. Train. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. T-R-A-C-T-O-R. Tractor. S-H-I-P. Ship. J-E-E-P. Jeep. B-O-A-T. Boat. Look at them all. Car. Where does the car go? On the road. Yes, your daddy's car. Auto. Well, where do you take the auto to? To go somewhere for a short distance. You go in an auto to your school. Scooter. Daddy has a scooter. Yes? Good. How many wheels? 2 wheels. Very good. Cycle. Do you know to ride a cycle? Yes. Where do you go to? You do a little shopping for mommy. Bus. When you want to go a little longer distance. Friends together can get into a bus and go for a short ride. And many people can travel in the bus. Train. It's a very long way. Train. You go in on a long journey. Hundreds of people can go in and you go to the station to get into the train. Aeroplane. When you want to go fast from one city to another, one country to another, you go to the airport and you all see the airplanes lined up. Tractor. Who uses the tractor? Farmer. Yes. Ship. Where do you find the ship? You go to the beach. You might find a ship. Go to the place where ships are parked. Yes, shipyard. Ship can take you into the huge, big ocean. There are passenger ships and cargo ships. Jeep. Who uses the jeep? Military personnel. Police. They use jeep. Boat. You want to go on a small trip on the river. You get into a boat. Now tell me a name for all these words. What is that? Vehicles. Very good. Vehicles. All these put together, you call it vehicle. Spell V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. All these are together. Single word, group name, vehicle. Good. Shall we look at another set of words? Here we are. Spell together with me. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. N-O-S-E. Nose. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. E-A-R. Ear. H-A-N-D. Hand. L-E-G. Leg. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. N-E-C-K. Neck. H-E-A-D. Head. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Look at it again. Eyes. How many eyes have you? 2 eyes. Good. Nose. Touch and show me the nose. Yes, nose. Mouth. Good. Ear. Touch your ears. Ear. Hand. Leg. You stand. You walk with your leg. Stomach. When you feel hungry, mommy gives you food to put in. Chest. Good. Neck. Good. Head. Head. Show me a finger. Finger. Good. Now give me a single word for all this, a group. All these are words put into group and give me a single word. Yes, body part. These are some of the body parts. Spell B-O-D-Y, body, P-A-R-T-S, body parts. Very good. Did you enjoy? Shall we look at another set of words? Look. See what we have here. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. A-U-N-T, aunt. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. G-R-A-N-T-P-A, grandpa. Grantma, grandma. Niece, niece. Look, baby. A tiny little child in the house, baby who cannot walk. Baby lies in the cradle and everybody is there playing. Baby. Brother, your big brother or small brother. Aunt, dad's sister or mom's sister. Sister, your small sister or your big sister. Father, your father. Yes, your daddy. Uncle, uncle can be dad's brother or mommy's brother. Mother, your mama. Yes, grandpa. Grandpa can be mommy's grandfather or daddy's father. Grandma can be daddy's mother or mommy's mother. Niece can be your uncle's or aunt. Baby. Yes, a little girl. Now, give me a single name for all this. What is it? Yes, good. They are members of family. Each one of their family members. Spell family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. So you learn to read, you learn to spell, you also learn to find a single word for the group of words I gave you. What is the group name for this? Family. Did you enjoy? Good.